Hey guys, got a nice 5 mark completing the square question here. It's a 2-part question. So, part A wants us to write x squared minus 10x plus 29 in the form x minus a squared plus b. So, this chapter right here is completed square form of a quadratic. So, let's do just that. So, to complete the square we need a set of brackets with an x inside, a square on the outside, and for now we're going to keep that 29 on the outside like that. Now inside the brackets we halve the number attached to the x term in the middle of the quadratic, so half of minus 10 is minus 5. So we've got x minus 5 over squared plus 29. Then remember, to finish it off, we square or have a number is inside the bracket with the x. So here we're squaring 5. So it doesn't matter whether or not this number is positive or negative. Whenever we square it, we're going to get a positive number. We then have to take that away on the outside. So 5 squared is 25. So on the outside we've got 29 minus 25. So our final answer is x minus 5 squared plus 4. Now for a bonus bit of information here, I'm going to write down the coordinates of the turning point or the minimum of this graph. So the minimum, we know it's a minimum because it's got a positive x squared, so it's a happy quadratic. The minimum then is going to have coordinates. Well, the x coordinate is the opposite sign of the number in the bracket with the x. So we got x minus 5, so the x coordinate is positive 5, and then the y coordinate is the number on the outside, so 4. So the coordinates of the minimum of this curve are 5, 4. So that's a bit of bonus information. The question offered us 2 marks for writing that quadratic in completed square form. Part B is 3 marks. Here we're told a sketch of y equals x squared plus cx plus d is shown. The turning point is 3, 5. So here's our lovely sketch. Now what we're asked is to work out the values of c and d. So remember what we just did up above, where we wrote x squared minus 10x plus 29 in completed square form. That then allowed us to get the coordinates of our turning point. Here we're doing it in reverse order. We know the coordinates of our turning point are 3, 5. So in completed square form, well, we know we're going to have an x. It's going to be minus 3 because we've got a positive 3 as our coordinate. So we're going to have x minus 3 all squared and then plus 5 on the outside. So that is what this quadratic looks like in completed square form. We want to find the values of c and d when it's in expanded form, x squared plus cx plus d. So what we need to do is expand this bracket, and if we do that we will get x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 5. So we're going to get x squared minus 6x plus 14. So our answer here is c equals minus 6 and d equals 14. Lovely jubbly. Do you want more questions like this, guys? What type of questions do you want more of before the exams? Let me know down below in the comment section. Take care.